So, welcome to a quick video on how to change the cabin filter on this Lexus CT200 HYBRID. So I've got the good quality man filter. There's the code that you need. So all you do, open the glove box. Now in the glove box you might get this tray that's here. You just pull that out. Sorry, I've pulled it out already before the video, but that's all you do. You just slide that out. And then you go in there, look for that tab there, just here, and then you should be able to just press like that and it will pull out. There you go. And there you have it, there's the housing. And then on this, you got the tab there, comes out. Oh, this is a really dirty one. Check it out. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. Definitely due a change. And look at the orientation on this one. This one's so dirty you can't see it, but you get the idea. You'll get some arrow signs on here for the airflow. So there we go. Look at the state of that. Ooh, dear me. Here we go. So there we go. So the airflow on this one needs to be that way. So there we go. So we put it in the way we took it out. There we go. Then look, you can't get it wrong. If you're not sure, just look at the lever here and it says airflow is up that way. Can you see? So you can't go wrong. Toyota very helpful with these sort of things. I say Toyota even though this is a Lexus, but as you all know, Lexus is part of the Toyota group. So that's it. You just bung that in there. Make sure it's all securely in place. And that's it. You're done. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.